I fully just ripped a hole in the zip of this dress. I tested 7 recipes today, what can I expect? The bloat be real. We'll just ignore that. I've been trying out some of Ooni's skillet recipes, and this is the skillet kebab, and she good.
So the first thing we're going to do is chop up 225 grams of shallots, nice and finely. Then we're going to chop up 4 peppers. I've gone for a mixture of red, green and yellow. 1 medium tomato that's been finely diced. 2 garlic cloves, 300 grams of high-fat beef mince, 1 heaped teaspoon of fine sea salt, a level teaspoon of ground black pepper, a level teaspoon of chili flakes, and a teaspoon of fresh thyme leaves. And then you're going to mix that all together. I've prepared a cast iron Ooni skillet with a generous glug of sunflower oil, which I'm then going to shape my meat mixture into. In a bowl, mix together 2 teaspoons of tomato paste with 20 ml of sunflower oil. Add some diced cherry tomatoes and red pepper to the top of your skillet and drizzle over with that tomatoey oil. Now we want our Ooni pizza oven to get to around 230 degrees centigrade. Place the skillet in the oven and bake until the meat is thoroughly cooked, which will take about 15 minutes. Once you've removed it, serve it out with some flatbread or rice or your favourite sides.
When you're cooking with the Ooni, I've said this before, but there's almost a performance in it. Gathering people around, everyone with a drink in their hand, it's just lovely. With the leftovers of this, I actually added some passata and turned it into kind of bolognese thing. Delicious.